Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. The challenge for this month is seafood or Italian. So I thought I'd get things started off with something I've made before, but I've never done a surf and turf before. The reason I say I've done this before because I'm gonna make beer battered fish and chips, because I've just had a serious hankering for some beer battered fish and chips. But I'm also gonna be cooking up a steak, and I'm gonna be making garlic mashed potatoes to go with it. So let's get to it. All right, so I got my steak out here. This is a beef loin tri-tip steak, $3.60. It was on sale, so I'm letting it sit out, come up to room temperature. Potatoes are going. Just started. Got my Dutch oven, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on medium heat, start warming that up. And I got my little skillet here, which steak's gonna go into. But right now I need to get my beer batter going for the fish and chips. Okay, hope you guys can see that okay. I was looking online for good beer batter, and I couldn't find one. So I'm just gonna wing it. Got some Elysian Contact Haze Burr. I'm a little annoyed though because I was looking for just a small can of beer, because I don't drink beer, so whatever is not gonna get drank. And if you're a beer lover, sorry to tell you this, but I'm probably gonna pour it down the sink because I don't enjoy drinking beer. So I got some active dry yeast here, some Fleischmann's. Put about half of that package in there, I think. Feels like about half. Whisk that up. So beer, ale. And then we're gonna add flour. Take the scooper out. Just throw in some flour. I'm not even following a recipe, I'm just kind of winging it. I just want a batter that will cling to my fish. You know, that actually looks pretty good. Not too thick. Kind of like a thin pancake batter. So I'll call that good. Might have to add a little bit of beer. I don't want it too thick. I would call that good. Okay, so heat's up. Potatoes are cooking. I've actually got 3 cloves of garlic in here for the mashed potatoes. I don't have this burner's cursed and it likes to go on high, but I'm gonna try to turn it on low. Cook the garlic a little bit with a little bit of olive oil, and throw in some butter. Then I'll put some stuff on top. Or milk, and then I'll lower the heat, add the milk, let the milk warm up, put it in the potatoes, and then we'll go from there. So, alright, so the fish, I've actually got Rockfish. It was on sale. $3.63 for this. Here's some other cod and whatnot I was looking at, but thought, well, rockfish would be kind of interesting, and I do like it, so. These are going to be some big pieces of fish. So. And there's going to be quite a few of them. So, 5. Good thing I'm hungry. So, go ahead and season the fish. Need to turn on my burner as well. I got a lot of A lot of plates spinning on this side. The spuds are done. Get this fish rolling. Come on. Okay, I can't get a good grip on it. Crap. I'm running out of space and time. Where's my... Oh, come on, you jerk. Flip. Wow. Where? And the fish won't flip over. There we go. And my steak. There's my garlic. Okay. Okay. These three floured. We'll put all three of these in the oil at the same time. Where is mine? Come on. These poke clean, so flip them. Gotta have salt and pepper. We're just kind of waiting on the steak now. I'm going to do some garlic and some butter. So juicy. Alright, all that steak done. Turn the heat up. Alright, plate this up. Just realized I forgot to do a vegetable, but potatoes are vegetables, so mash. Got my beer battered fish and chips. Man, those look good. Those on there like that. And like that. And go with the third piece. What I want to do though, I want to let this steak rest for a bit. I'm going to move it over to here and just let it rest for a minute. Already killed the heat. Yeah. Alright. Try the mash. Buttery, garlicky. Heck yeah. Oh man. Those are money. Go ahead and try that. Try that beer battered rockfish. Is what she looks like. Oh man. Wow. Dude, do you hear that crunch when I bite in? Let's see if we can hear this. Oh man. Wow. Man, make your own beer battered fish and chips. So good. I'm gonna do taste my steak. Oh, nice little pink inside. Mmm. Oh man. Wow. It doesn't even need anything either. Just a little salt, fried it up, and then I just kept basting it in butter. I'll be back when I get done eating. Alrighty, so I'll be holding up a clean plate, except I already threw it in the sink. I actually finished dinner about 2 hours ago. I've been fighting off some food coma. 5 pieces of fish. Whew, a little bit much. Should have known better, but anyway. Excuse me. I do appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. It'll be up in the end and also the description. And last week's video will be posted. And then, wow, I can't get the words out. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your week. I'll catch you next time.